Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're going to continue the series on football foods. Today I'm going to do a quick little something again, and it's going to be some bacon wrapped chicken tenders, and I'm going to hit it with a honey habanero sauce. So it'll be honey habanero bacon wrapped chicken tenders, and this would be a real easy thing that you could do for appetizers for any games you're getting together to watch. So the only thing left to do, let's do it. Alright, so today what we're going to be using as our rub on the chicken, we're going to be using this Suckle Buster's Clucker Dust, and after I wrap it in the bacon, I'm gonna come over it with the Heathrow's Hot Rub. And like I said, when it's about finished, I'm gonna glaze it with the No Bull's honey habanero barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and get these chickens ready and get them on the smoker, which today I'll be smoking them at 300 degrees, and I'll be using some applewood chunks while I'm doing it. Okay, so we have our chicken tenders out. We're gonna go ahead and come with the Suckle Buster's Clucker Dust first. It's not a big piece of meat, so you really don't need to put too much on there. In this case, a little bit goes a long way. So we'll just go ahead and flip it over. So we're going to get this side. Now you want to get some bacon on it. Make sure you get a good layover at the top, because as it cooks, the bacon wants to shrink, so you don't want to lose too much of the coverage. And then just kind of mold it together to kind of get it to stick. And I'll do one more for you on camera, then I'll get the rest off the camera because it's all the same act. Okay, and be right back after I finish these. Okay, so now I have the bacon wrapped on them. Now we're gonna come over it with the other rub, the Heathrow's Hot Rub. So now we just a light dose of this. And I'm gonna get the other side and get it on a wire tray, and I'm gonna get it on the smoker. Be right back with you. Okay, so like I said, smoker set at 300. I have a wire rack that I'm putting this on. I'm just gonna leave this all on here. That way, catch all the drippings and everything, make it clean up easier. And we'll check back on it in about 30 minutes. Okay, so we're 30 minutes in. As you can see, it's got a nice color, but I need a little more texture on the bacon. And the chicken, I already probed it. We're at about 140. So this is breast meat that the tenders came from. So we need to get it to at least 165. So I'm thinking about 15-20 more minutes. We'll check again and see if it's ready to be glazed. Okay, so it's been another 15 minutes. The internal temp is up to about 157 on these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this honey habanero sauce on them. and let them finish out. All right, we'll let this finish out up to tip, and then we'll get them off. All right, so the chicken wanted to be a little stubborn. It took a little bit longer. So in total time, it was about an hour to cook this. But as you can see, it's ready. So we're gonna try one. We'll just go with this one since it's already up front. Gonna just cut into it. As you can see, looks nice. Got a little bit of smoke penetrated it. That's surprising. I'm going to cut me a piece of this because it is still kind of hot. And I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I ain't burning myself this time. But you can see, it's nice. Man. Ain't gonna lie. Chicken, it's tender, juicy. I believe that bacon wrapped around it helped to keep that juice in. The clucker dust has an amazing flavor to it, mixed with that heat rouse. But the star of the show, that honey habanero glaze that I put on it from No Bull Barbecue. You know what? I almost forgot. There's some ranch over here. What could be better? Get that ranch in there. Oh yeah. That ranch takes it over the top. That's all it does. So, if you're thinking about doing this, if you like to get the No Bull's honey habanero barbecue sauce, I am an ambassador for them. Just check the link. The link tree in my description. It'll take you to it. And then just click on the No Bull. On there, you'll see the discount code that'll get you 20% off their products. They make rubs and sauces and other stuff. But the code is right here. So you can use that. And thank you to the fam, which is what I call my subscribers. Thank you to the fam. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button. And ring that bell so you can be notified when more content comes out, and give us a thumbs up. Also, I've gotten requests by my viewers on things they would like to see me make. A couple kind of go along with what I'm doing right now. Some don't. So what I'm going to do, this next cook, I'm going to go ahead and get one of these viewers what they wanted me to do, and I'm gonna incorporate it as I go. And then once this football food series is over, the ones who want me to make something that kind of don't go with this, I got you. I got you. So until then, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again. But for now, I'm about to go eat. I'm out.